Others. Some received under a key man insurance policy, including some allocated by way of bonus on such policy. Okay, now what happens is, let's say there's a company A. Okay, company A has an employee called E. This person E has been working with the company for 10 years now, and he is basically the key sales manager. Okay, so he is one of the key employees for the company, or a key man as we call him. The company estimates that if for some reason E is not there, whether by reason of death or he would be leaving the job, then the business of the company will be significantly impacted. Right? What will happen is, let's say today you are sitting at a sales of 100 CR, this may actually come down to 50 CR. Right? And it may not be easy for company A to replace him. So in order to cover up such situation, you have something called a key man insurance policy, which is provided by many insurance companies. Right? So what happens is, company A will keep on paying the insurance premium over a period of time, and if any unforeseen events happen by way of death or he leaves the job or something, the company gets the money from the insurance company. Right? So when you receive this money from the insurance company, including any bonus which you might get on such policy, okay, that is going to be taxable as PGBP income for the company. Right? Now, what is a key man insurance policy? Key man insurance policy is a policy taken on life of an employee who is a key man of the employer. Okay? It is also relevant to refer to section 10D in this case. Okay? Section 10 basically provides incomes which are not taxable in the hands of the recipient. Okay? And 10D also deals with the case of key man insurance policy. Right? Let's now move on to the next slide.